Meet Steve Motale, who leaked Malusi Gigaba's video. The person who have had this video of Malusi Gigaba is Steve Motale, a former newspaper's editor. What I am trying to say is Steve Motale and that friend of his MR21 gun something are the ones who have been blackmailing Malusi Gigaba. A. No hacking happened. B. That video was leaked by Malusi Gigaba's side chick. C. Some journalists had this video and they used it in blackmailing Malusi. D. When Malusi knew that the video was leaked, he had a mutual agreement with his wife on how to deal with the matter. Steve Motale obtained the video from Malusi Gigaba's 17 years old side chick.
Yeah.